Sir Victor Wood. Para daw makarelax din siya, makapag-relax.
Okay, once again, please welcome Victor Wood.
Magandang hapon po. Medyo kararating lang namin, Mayor, pagpasensya na. Napakaganda ng lugar nyo. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. At ngayong araw na ito, magkakaroon tayo ng amateur contest. Di ba? Alam niyo yung pagkanta, ano yan eh. Yung mga sasali sa amateur, mamaya ay ibubulgar ko yung aking technique sa pagkanta. Na mostly, wala nakakaalam nito. Kaya, Maestro, play the music. Kanta muna tayo kahit na isa or dalawa. Pakilakas lang. Come on, everybody, clap your hands. Again, I can't begin to know it, but then I know it's growing strong. Wasn't the spring, and spring became the summer. You come along, and that's in hand, written out. That's in me, that's in you. Caroline, the times never seem so